Before removing the spark plug adapter tube, perform the following preparatory steps. Remove the ignition coils one at a time. And remove the rocker lever cover. Remove the cap screw and tube clamp. Remove the spark plug adapter tube from the cylinder head. Discard the old O-rings. The seal between the spark plug adapter tube and cylinder head is serviceable, but the seal between the spark plug adapter tube and the rocker lever cover is not. It is a permanent assembly of the rocker lever cover. Using solvent, clean the spark plug adapter tube. Dry using compressed air. Inspect the spark plug adapter tube for signs of damage or cracks. If cracks or damage to the sealing area are found, replace the spark plug adapter tube. Using clean engine oil, lubricate and install a new O-ring and grommet seal onto the spark plug adapter tube. Make sure not to over-lubricate the O-ring and grommet seal. Doing so may lead to oil contamination of the spark plug. Install the spark plug adapter tube into the cylinder head. Install the tube clamp and cap screw. Make sure the tube clamp and spark plug adapter tube are oriented correctly, with the straight edge of each aligned, and that the clamp is not upside down. Also, make sure the clamp does not interfere with the valve springs. Tighten the cap screw. Refer to QuickServe Online for specifications. To finish the spark plug adapter tube installation, perform the following finishing steps. Install the rocker lever cover. Install the ignition coils.